Reflection. Do one thing and do it well. Know yourself and stay focused. From the post of Dr. Shiv Masiwa. The most successful people in the world have always understood the need to do one thing and do it well. Bill Gates was into computer software and he built the giant Microsoft. When he began to rise and create that extraordinary wealth, there were others who also thought software was a thing to be in, even though they had no clue what it was about, and they failed. Jeff Bezos built his wealth first and foremost on e-commerce. From frying hamburgers at McDonald's as a teenager to selling books online, he ended up being the richest man in the world. Sam Walton started his work life as a young sales trainee at JCPenney. He learned sales lessons early and became one of the world's richest men by creating these massive retail stores, the biggest private employer in the world. Aliko Dangote began by getting a family loan to become a commodities trader of goods like bagged cement, rice, and sugar. He then went into manufacturing cement and other products. He is an industrialist. Even if you choose to diversify in the future, do it only after you have emerged as a true master of one. The lesson is simple. It's not about the industry you are in, but about how well you apply yourself in that industry. You must be passionate about what you do, but you must also be knowledgeable about it. That is what drives innovation. When we see someone being successful in a particular industry, we often disregard their entrepreneurial prowess and think it is all about the industry they are in, so we rush all to it only to be disappointed. Tell me what you are into and I will show you someone who built a multi-billion-dollar business in it. Now I have said here before many times, you have to be knowledgeable about your own industry. You also have to be knowledgeable about yourself. When was the last time you looked at yourself in a mirror and asked yourself, who am I? What are my strengths? Where do I need to dust up my skills or learn new ones? What about your mindset? Be honest with your answers. You are talking to yourself after all. That strong mother doesn't tell her cub, son, stay weak so the wolves can get you. She says, toughen up. This is the reality we are living in. From American rapper Lauryn Hill. The reality we are living in right now is very tough, and there are lots of different kinds of wolves out there, including the distraction wolf. Don't let him get you. You already know the hundreds of millions of our people in Africa and across the world were facing huge challenges even before this global pandemic hit. Global education systems and economics will be recovering from years to come like no other time in your life. Now is the time to focus on innovative solutions. There is also a growing mental health crisis going on across the world, even amongst children now, because of the pressures and confusion of this COVID. A lot of people are very stressed and going through a lot, so please, I don't want to see people on this platform pointing judgmental negative fingers about others. Tough love can be necessary, but if in doubt, just work on yourself. You all will go through countless challenges and have countless distractions. That is the reality we are living in today. So here is your homework. What are you passionate about? If you want to succeed, know yourself and stay focused. The day you really get into business, this will happen. Let me show you something really important. Innovation plus marketing makes money. The rest is cost. So why did I put cost in caps lock? In a successful growing business, the most important function once a product is launched is managing cost. The most important person after the CEO is not the head of marketing. It is a person in charge of costs. When I plan to start a business, the first person I need on the team is the one in charge of accounting and finance. This is actually where the P in process begins to emerge. You are not really running a business if you have no one in charge of costs. If you already have a business and you get a chance to pitch to any serious investor, if what you do really interests them as an investor, they need to see your books, a record of every income, expenditure, and costing. I need a financial statement. Personally, if those books are not available within 24 hours, I lose confidence. Thank you for listening. Freedom Updates Official.